Hello friends, welcome to today's new tech English. Today we are going to unbox the new Vivo Y18 mobile phone. This is a mobile phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. Open the box. First they have given mobile phone and IMEI stickers and Vivo company booklet and SIM ejector pin. Type A to Type C charging cable. No charging adapter in this box. Vivo Y18 mobile phone. You look at the display of this mobile phone. 6.5 inches LCD display and 90 Hz refreshing rate, and then 840 nits brightness, and then selfie camera is 8 megapixel selfie camera is there. And you look at the back side of this mobile phone. This back panel is made of glass and primary camera is 50 megapixel portrait camera and secondary camera is 0.08 megapixel secondary camera and small flash also there. Mobile phone's right side mounted fingerprint sensor is there and volume up down button is there, and then mobile phone's top side speaker grill is there, and mobile phone's bottom side audio jack, Type C charging port and mic is there, and mobile phone's left side SIM tray is there. SIM tray supports 2 SIM card, 1 memory card. This mobile phone have 5000 mAh battery and 15 watts charging support. This mobile phone's operating system is FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. This mobile phone's processor is Helio G85. This mobile phone available in 2 color variants, one space black, second one gem green. Current market price of this mobile phone: 4GB 64GB storage variant price 9,000 rupees, 4GB 128GB storage variant price 10,000 rupees. Thank you.